Sandy Budd, and I'm with Realty Partners. I'm here in the greater Tampa Bay area in Florida, and I wanted to come to you with a tip of the week, specifically for open houses and how to drive traffic to your open houses. The best way is to come up with a theme, a really good theme for the season. Like right now, you can see I'm wearing an ugly Christmas sweater. So I would create a flyer inviting everyone in the neighborhood to wear their ugly Christmas sweater to the open house and give away prizes for the best sweater, have a Christmas theme, maybe put up some Christmas decorations and just make it really festive. And you'll see a huge difference in the traffic to your open houses. So that's my tip of the week.